This tutorial will show you how Noise Sentinel On Demand works when you already have your own equipment, specifically a B&K 2250 or 2270 sound level meter. And of course you can still order extra monitors for delivery as part of your project if you wish. So let's start. Log into Noise Sentinel On Demand to begin the work. There are some prerequisites that your sound level meter must have to be compatible with Noise Sentinel On Demand. The monitor must have a hardware version of 3 or 4. It must have a noise monitoring license to BZ7232 for a supported version of the firmware, and you must have an authorized SD card for use. Software updates are free and hardware upgrades can be purchased if you need them. Licenses will be forwarded to you for installation within a couple of working days. You'll also need to prepare your monitor for streaming data, and we've assembled a short, easy to use guide on the subscription page, which is where you'll need to head to get this process started. In addition to your subscription details, there's a section for registering your own equipment. Click here. This is where you'll find the link to the document for preparing the sound level meter. Please follow all the steps carefully. We can also provide assistance in this regard, helping you to successful preparation. You also get QR codes for use with the NMT Setup app for easier on-site setup. So you can see here as an example a list of previously registered sound level meters, and they can be deleted also. This will remove them from your subscription. And please be aware that a monitor currently in use for a project cannot be deleted. So it's important that your monitor is functioning and connected to the internet when you proceed. And enter the serial number of the sound level meter, then click check and register. We'll check to see if everything is in order. And when successful, the sound level meter will appear in the list of registered equipment. You can then click return to go back to the subscription page, then go back to the dashboard. Generally, the monitor will become active the day before the selected start of the project, and if you want to start the project today, the monitor will be active a few hours after saving and confirming the project. So now you can go through the new project wizard. We've got a separate video on how to get through the wizard, so here we'll just take a quick look at what's different when you're using your own hardware. Let the wizard know you're using your own equipment in step 3 in project dates and equipment selection. Enter the amount of either leased or owned equipment here, and in this case we're adding one existing sound level meter. Note that when you have only your own equipment, your project can start today after setup. And the rest of the steps are outlined in the new project wizard tutorial. This concludes the explanation for adding your own hardware.